hardest part during the reconstruction, I think that was being a woman. You know, the role that women have in society is really narrow. So when I try to be part of the reconstruction, it feels that people thought I wasn't capable of doing things. When I started breaking the walls or using a hammer, people seemed completely surprised, like if I shouldn't be doing those things. Yeah, it seemed that I was useless. It will reach the point that actually some people will take the tools out of my hands to teach me how to do it. You know, but I knew how to do it. However, I know that they were doing it actually with a lot of love and they were trying to help. But it feels completely disempowering when someone takes the tools out of your hands, you know. It's really hard to explain how it feels. You know, imagine that a man takes away a tool from another man. It could be considered almost an insult. And we can even think on another example. Imagine that a woman takes the tool away from another man. That possibility is almost not considerable. It's like something crazy that we cannot even think of. This same disempowerment is the one that happens with children and youth. Just because they are small, it's considered that there are so many things that they don't know, and they shouldn't even try to do it. For example, when I was a facilitator, there were many kids that came and asked me to open them a packet of biscuits, when they were actually capable to do it by themselves. But they started being dependent on someone else solving and doing the things for them. Imagine being treated like that for 18 years, thinking that there are people that know what is best for you and what's the right thing to do for you. You end up developing limiting beliefs that tells you that your voice is not as important, and waiting for other people to tell you what you have to do and how to do it. This made sense within the conventional educational paradigm, which historically was designed to produce obedient soldiers and workers. But we don't want that anymore, right? So what can we do differently? We need to transition towards different models that allow and support young people's growth through empowerment and responsibility. And this requires that we, as adults, develop new skills to facilitate learning and support children and youth to discover their own passions.